Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening. Welcome back. Day 27 of our 100-day challenge, going strong, going healthy, and really excited to be back as always. Come and meet you and share some insights. And those who are listening this video for the first time, we are on day 28. So do follow up my last videos of 27 more, 26 more days, and we are embarked on a 100-day journey where we are uncovering, unleashing some true facts of life and making it more meaningful and impactful and more enjoyable. And guys, I think from I don't have any topic. I just go raw. What comes to my mind, I just speak out over in this video. And I think the one thing which comes out today is life is meant to be fun. Life is meant to be enjoyed, and we ourselves create so many boundaries across of problems, of complications, and everything. But in logically, there is nothing we should be having anything any complications or anything we are afraid or fear of. Actually, life is simple. The more, I think, simplicity is what it's simplicity is acceptance, simplicity is allowance, simplicity is confidence, simplicity is trust, and it's vice versa. When you have a trust and a confidence, your life is simple. When you have, and so just keep it light and fluffy. Just keep it just add humor to your life. Keep light moments in your daily life, either with your family, with your kids, with your spouse, with your sport, or whatever makes you feel good. Do that a little thing every day, and that makes a lot of difference, because we'll be in that zone of happiness, we'll be in that zone of joy when we do that activity, and everything will get expanded from there. Everything will have a different view and a perception for you from that zone. But if you are in a other zone, uh, all you see would be all the resistance, all you see would be all some negative, not negative, but I would say resistance. And so it's very important that how to make our life more simple, how to make our life more meaningful. And I'm sure everyone has its own life, and but I'm sure the kind of wise and the kind of completeness we have, we should be proud of that, and we should be also proud that there is nothing that we can't achieve. That we deserve all, and abundance is our birthright. God has given us everything. He has made everything for us. He's always behind us. He's always with us. He's giving. He knows what we want. He knows what our desires are, what our dreams are. He's always with us. And as you say, magic is always happening behind the scene for us, anytime, any moment. That's the magic. So we just need to trust in that magic, and let and flow with the life, and get going with the life, and make it more enjoyable, make it more uh, humorous and more happiness. And I think, and spread happiness. That's another message. I think when you are happy, uh, try to make other people also happy, because as you say, the happiness, the whatever you are giving come back to you, but it comes back to you in many fold, like 2x, 4x, 10x, or whatever it could be. So the only multiplication factor is the more people you engage, the more people you make happier, the more people you make merrier. The same is happening to you, to your body also, that you are feeling happiness, you are feeling confident, you are feeling joyful. So I think, and if you are in that environment, imagine if you are in that environment where it's happiness, joy every time, you feel good about it. You don't want to go to the people who doesn't make you feel good, or whom doesn't have good conversation with you. You always want to go with the people who always make you feel good, make you feel positive, make you feel proud, because that's what they are in that zone. That is because they are in that zone, and when you go into that zone, you also become that zone. So that's the magnetic power we have. So the same way, if you are happy and if you create that environment, more people will also get happy. Your family, your kids, your spouse, your workers, your employees, whatever. So guys, it's very important. Keep on expanding. Keep on keep on I would say letting go. Keep on trust. Keep that confidence. Keep that belief, and let go everything, man. This is as I mentioned, we start off, the life is meant to be joyful. Yes, it is meant to be joyful, and it's all our perception or our limiting thoughts. We just have to get that away from all those limiting beliefs and thoughts, and move ahead and move forward, and see what life is unfolding for us, what life has what all experiences we are having. It's amazing, it's joyful. What life is giving to us is amazing. And guys, I think this was the message for today. I hope you would have liked this message. As always, your inputs, insights, your comments, your inputs, your feedback is always welcome. Anything we want, anywhere you feel that, or any inputs you have to improve this channel, the in terms of content, in terms of name, in terms of background, whatever, I'm open for that. And do share me your feedback, inputs, and insight. How are you liking these videos? Because that's the way I connect with you guys, and I always look forward for those who are sharing their inputs. Thank you so very much. Really appreciate that. And guys, make more fun, have more fun, and make your life enjoyable. Thank you so very much. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.